So I'm just going to briefly show you how I upload all of my interactive slides into Google Classrooms, because if you don't do it this way, the students may not be able to edit or have their own copy for themselves. When I'm doing any interactive Google slide activity and posting it onto Google Classrooms, I always make it a quiz assignment. The quiz assignment allows you to make a copy for each scholar and for them to submit it as a grade. So I'm going to go ahead and give this activity a title. So I'll go ahead and just put my instructions here. So I give them just a brief what to do instructions here. And I'll change how many points. My number story points are usually out of 6. Then I'm going to put it underneath the topic. We do it by week, so this will be for week of April 27th. If you want, you could place a rubric here, but I choose not to. And then in order to add the Google interactive slide that you have purchased or downloaded, you'll go to Add, click Google Drive, and you would make sure that you find the activity that you want them to do. So I want them to do this CGI problem. We do cognitively guided instruction at my school, so I labeled it CGI. Then this is the step that you want to be very, very careful for. So here it says students can view files. So this means at this point, if you were to assign it, the kiddos will not be able to go in and access or use this. You have to make sure you click this and then put make a copy for each student. Once you do this, every student will be sent out their own copy with their name. So that is the biggest thing. Make sure you click make a copy for each student and then assign. This arrow right here, right beside the assign, you could then change the date and the time of when it will be accessible for your class to access. So yes, this is the biggest thing for the interactive slides. You want to make sure that each student has their own copy. I will show you exactly what it looks like. So this is our week of April 27th. So here is the assignment. As you can see here, each scholar has their own copy, which then they could go in and edit and then turn in for a grade. So here I have 2 that were graded. So this student, she handed in hers. So once they have submitted and turned in, what I do is I just find a cute little sticker picture. I put it on there, so it's cute. Then I provide the grade here and the feedback here, and then you'll click return. Once you have clicked return, they'll be able to see their grade and any comments that you have from the interactive slide. So I'm going to go ahead and switch my browser view into my student view that I have made just to test things out, to show you guys exactly what it looks like. Here I am as a student, and my entire school decided to use my template that I made to organize Google Classrooms, so we post them weekly. So as a student, I will go ahead and click week of 4/27, and I'll do so in presenter mode. And I know I'm going to be going to math, so I could just click the math icon and go straight to my math instruction. So here it is. My students, they will watch this video, and then on the next slide they have their assignment, which was the same number story lunches for the field trip. They're able to click it and get straight to work. Then they'll click the Google slide, complete the work, once they're done solving the problem, all they have to do is click exit and then submit turn in. So then they'll click turn in, and then their work is verified as turned in. And if I turn it over back into my teacher view, I'm able to see that one student turned in, and then I'm able to go ahead and right on top of it, put any comments, a grade, and I showed you guys before, I usually add a little sticker from Google Images. Once I'm done doing that, I just click return, and the students will be notified and can check any grade that you left.